Good morning, everyone. My name is Sunday Adeniyi from Sonijo Multimedia Concepts, popularly known as SMC. This morning, I want to teach you how you can whiten your teeth, any image, with hue or saturation layer mask. So this morning, we are using a trick that we are all familiar with. So you can see this picture. The teeth is very yellow, you can see it. So how can we brighten it up and make it shiny and whiter than this? So without much talking, let's get started. But before then, I implore you kindly like this video, subscribe to it so that you get notified each time we upload new video, and share with your friend, comment on it. So that is how we can grow this channel together. Let's get started. So this teeth is very yellow. Let me zoom it, you can see it. Oh my god. But at the end of this tutorial, you will see that it will be very bright. So I got this image from Adobe Stock, so I will leave a link below so that you can download and practice with it. So let's get started. So head to this layer mask area, click on it. You see this hue or saturation, click on it. Now you go to master. Under master here, you see yellow, select yellow. You want to reduce the color, that's under this saturation. We are desaturating it, so you remove it and brighten it up with this lightness slider, and it is bright. But there is problem. Our image skin is pale, is washed out, is too white, the color is no more there. So how can we retain that? So by retaining it, we are hiding the effect that we just created. So there is a principle in Photoshop. The principle is white refill, black hide. So when you are dealing with layer mask like this, this mask, you see this white layer mask here. When you are dealing with it, you use brush, so you can see it's white. When I click on Command I on Apple system or Control I on Windows system, it will hide. It will turn this white mask to black. Let's do that quickly. You can see that. So our effect is hidden already. Now head to our brush tool here, click on brush tool, then come down here, this left side of the computer, down here you see white color. That is our foreground. The one below it is our background color. So make sure that your foreground color is white, then start painting on the teeth like this. You can paint, you see the magic, immediately you feel it. So this is how you can brighten up your image, your teeth. You can whiten it. Even if it is eye, you can do the same thing to it just to make it whiter. So this is it, you can do it. But one thing, that this is just first part of it. You can see we have created it, but this thing has no shortcut. We can create a shortcut so that each time we need it, we just click on the shortcut and it will create this layer mask for us. We just start painting on it. How can we do it? Before we do that, let's delete this. Okay, I've deleted it, so our image has returned to the normal. Now we go to our edit menu here, go to keyboard shortcut or click Alt Shift Control. Okay, now come here, under layer you go down to new adjustment layer. Sorry, this is it. Under it, look for hue or saturation. Okay, this is it. Originally there is nothing like shortcut. I created it myself. So let's now create our own shortcut. But when you are creating shortcut, it will bring you a message that a shortcut is existing already. Just say accept. So let's use Command H. You can use any shortcut, but me, I will use Control H. Control H and accept. Now click OK. We have created a shortcut for it, so let's do that. Control H, then come to master here, yellow, desaturate it, brighten it up, invert it by clicking on Command high or Control high, and it will hide it. Go to your brush, make sure your foreground color is white, and brush on the teeth like this, and you see the magic. You can see it. So this is part 2 of the tutorial. Let's go to part 3 of the tutorial. What is the part 3 of the tutorial? And that is how we can create an action button, whereby you just click once and it will just do some things and you start brushing on it. Let's do that. So look at this. If you see this button, it's called action button. If you cannot see it, go to window like this. Under window you see it, or click Alt F9. So come here. I have a lot of action here that I am using. So you too, you can create an action. So let's do this together. So hue or saturation, we want to brighten this teeth. So how do we do that? Just come here, click on this folder. Let's say what can we call it? Teeth whitener. Okay, teeth whitener, like that. Click OK. So it has created a folder. Now we want to start recording. So whatever we record now, it will be safe inside this action, so that each time we need it, we just click it and it will play and done. So let's do that. Click on this second one, click on it, and anything we do now, we start recording. So let's call it hue stroke saturation. Yeah, I think saturation. So saturation. So we need a function key, that is control or shortcut. Let me say F2. Let's take F2, then click on record. You can see this button is recording already. So if you want to stop it, we can stop it here. Now we head to our hue or saturation here. Hue or saturation. Let's change this master to yellow, desaturate it, brighten it up, then invert it, Control high or Command high, start brushing on it. So, and we are almost done. So it's very simple. So we are done. Stop it. So that is it. Let's start. Let's just click on this, play it. Okay, yellow, then we are done. So once again, my name is Sunday Adeniyi. So please share this video, comment on it, like it, subscribe to our video so that you get latest update from our channel. Thank you.